All right, moving on. Next, we're going to install our theme. Now, in this section of the tutorial, we're going to cover how to install a free WordPress theme to your blog. Now, the right WordPress theme can go a long way in your blog's success, and this portion of the video will show you how to turn a boring layout into a sleek, innovative, and mobile responsive design. So anytime you need to make a change to your blog, you're going to do so through your WordPress or Bluehost dashboards. And this is what I like to call home base for your blog. Now, both of these dashboards serve the same purpose, but they just display things a little differently. We're currently at the Bluehost dashboard, but again, you can install the theme through your WordPress dashboard. Both do the same thing. Now, in this video, we're going to be installing a free theme. So the first thing you want to do is hover your mouse over Appearance and click on Themes. And this will bring you to your theme management menu. This is where you can add new themes, change your current theme, and search for additional themes, all from this menu. Now, we're going to be adding a new theme. So to get started, simply click on the Add New Theme icon. And this is going to bring us to the WordPress theme directory. And basically, this is where we can browse through the thousands of different themes that WordPress has to offer. If you look in the upper left-hand side of the screen, you can see that WordPress offers some filters to help you find that perfect theme. This lets you break down themes by featured, popular, latest, favorites. There's even a featured filter section. This is where you can get even more specific if you have a particular feature or requirement of your theme in mind. It's a great way to filter through the themes and find exactly what you're looking for. Another way to find a theme is to use the search function. This works the same as any search bar, and we used it whenever we were searching for our plugins. And it's a great way to find a theme if you already know the name of it, like we do. So we'll just type in Shapely, and that will bring up the search results. And as you can see, our theme is the first one to pop up. But before you install any theme, I highly recommend that you preview the theme just so you can get a better idea of how it functions. So to check out the demo, simply hover your mouse over the theme, and where it says Details and Preview, go ahead and click that. And that's going to bring you to a demo of the theme. Now keep in mind, this is just a basic demo of what the theme can do and some of its capabilities. But again, this gives you a good idea of how the theme behaves, and it gives you a good feel for the user experience as well. Now if you look at the upper left-hand side of the screen, you'll see that each theme displays their users' ratings and a short description, which can help in the decision-making process. Now, as you can see, this theme has about a 5-star rating, which is nearly perfect, and it's good for us. So let's go ahead and install the theme. Simply click the Install button at the top of the screen. And once it's installed, go ahead and click the Activate button. And this will officially activate the theme and make it visible on your blog. There we go, and you'll be taken back to the theme management menu, and as you can see, the Shapely theme is highlighted and is now active. A few things to note: after you activate the theme, you'll probably get a few alerts. The first one is welcoming you to the Shapely theme, and it has a few requirements for you to complete before you start configuring the theme. So go ahead and click on the Get Started with Shapely button, and this will bring you to the theme settings page. By default, it should start you out on the Recommended Actions tab, where there will be 2 actions: the Import Demo Content and Install Shapely Companion. So go ahead and click the Import Demo Content button. And doing so will take care of both of the requirements so that you have the demo content and the Shapely Companion plugin installed and activated. There we go. All right, now a few things I want to point out is that they have their own recommended plugins, which you can view by clicking on the Recommended Plugins tab. But these are simply plugins that are developed under the same company as the theme. Now, I don't use them in this video, but if you want to check them out, you can do so here. There's also a Getting Started and Support tab. If you have some extra time, go ahead and check those out as well. But for this video, you're all set. So let's go ahead and check out our theme we just installed. And to do that, simply hover your mouse over the site title in the upper left-hand side of the screen and click on Visit Site. And this will take you to the live site. Now, The first thing you'll notice is that the demo content is loaded and the sassy social share icons are displaying throughout the homepage. No worries though, we'll reconfigure and customize this page in a few minutes, but the demo content gives you an awesome visual of what your homepage will look like. It's pretty cool. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. As always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.